in the Philippines.
Ano po ulit yung pangalan niyo po? Buong pangalan.
Narciso Santos Perez.
Narciso Perez po. Kailan niyo po itinayo po yung Wailing Wall?
January 30, 2024.
2024. Last year lang po.
Oo.
At saka po, at kung bakit niyo po naisipan na itayo po yung Wailing Wall?
Kasi ito isang lugar na talagang sambahan ng mga Diyos, yung mga gusto lumapit sa Panginoon, kaya nadagdag lang yan. Pulmero, meron kaming worship center. Nagpunta kami ng Israel, Jerusalem, meron kasi kaming nakitang Wailing Wall doon, kaya in-apply namin dito rin yan.
Tsaka po, based po sa research namin, ito po yung kauna-unahang Wailing Wall dito po sa bansa natin.
Oo, kauna-unahan yan. Baka hindi lang sa bansa natin. Wala pa akong nababalita kung meron Wailing Wall sa iba pang bansa.
Ayun lamang po yung katanungan namin. Maraming salamat po.
Sige, okay.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Good day everyone. We are here at Bustos, Bulacan, the Wailing Wall of Jerusalem. This is a special place where people come to pray, think, and express their feelings. It is known as a peaceful spot that brings comfort to many visitors. The Wailing Wall also helps the local economy because it attracts tourists. Many visitors buy drinks and souvenirs from nearby stores and stalls. From an environmental view, the place needs to be kept clean and well cared for. Visitors are encouraged to throw their trash properly and help protect the area's natural beauty. In the social cultural side, this wall shows the faith, unity, and strength of the people in Bustos. It has become a place where people come together and pray to find peace, especially during hard times. Through technology, more people learn about the Wailing Wall on social media and tourism pages. The local government also added lights, signs, and camera to make the place safe and easy to visit. So, if you want to visit a calm and meaningful place, come and see the Wailing Wall here at Bustos.
Story and inspirational ng may-ari, bakit naisipan niyang ipatayo ang replika ng Wailing Wall here in Bustos, Bulacan? Dahil nagkaroon ng mabigat na problema ang kanilang pamilya at sabi daw dito sa interview na dumayo pa daw sila sa Jerusalem para mag-pray, and by that day, he promised to God na kapag na-overcome daw ng family niya ang problema na yon, ay magpapatayo daw sila ng sarili nilang Wailing Wall, which is ito na. Ngayon, tinupad na nila ang kanilang pangako kay Lord. Nakakatuwa lang ay nakaka-bless isipin. It's like God made.
Here, our strategic tourism plan for the Wailing Wall in Bustos, Bulacan. This plan aims to make the Wailing Wall a safe, clean, and meaningful place for both locals and tourists. The first, for tourism infrastructure and facility development, the plan includes building clean restrooms, paved walkways, and resting areas for visitors. There will also be lights, CCTV, and proper signage for safety and easy directions. The tourism infrastructure and enterprises zone authority or TIEZA support this kind of development in local destinations. Next, under sustainable tourism and environmental management, the focus is on protecting the area. There will be trash bins for recycling, regular cleanup drives, and the use of solar lights to save energy for every day. And then these actions help the environment and follow the nation goal or sustainable tourism. For community participation and employment generation, local people will be part of the project. They can be trained as tour guides, cleaners, and souvenir makers. Schools and groups can also join in activities and events at the sites. This creates jobs and gives people pride in their community.
Here are the SWOT analysis: strength, stress reliever, nakaka-relax, nakakapagmuni-muni, and also nakaka-enjoy ang view. The weakness is limited talking picture and opportunity. Sa pagpunta ng Wailing Wall dito sa Bustos, Bulacan, mas makikilala pa natin si Lord o mas lapit palalo sa Kanya, and nakakatanggal ng stress and also nakakapagmuni-muni dahil sa ganda at payapa ng lugar na ito. And threads, no kids allow, and may possible na ma-injury.
Economic benefits: more people visiting because it's a religious place. The Wailing Wall will bring more people to Bustos, which is good for this town. Social benefits: a place to pray. The Wailing Wall will be a calm place where people can pray, think, and feel closer to their faith. Bringing us together, it will bring people from all walks of life together to share in their belief and remember those who passed. Environmental benefits: a nice garden. The area around the Wailing Wall will be a beautiful garden, giving us a peaceful place to enjoy nature. Taking care of nature. We will build the Wailing Wall in a way that's good for environment, showing that we care about our planet, inspiring others to care. The Wailing Wall can inspire people to protect nature, seeing it as part of their faith and responsibility.
This is the conclusion of Wailing Wall. Reflection of the plan's contribution to the growth of the Philippines tourism and hospitality industry. The strategic tourism plan for the Wailing Wall in Bustos, Bulacan plays a vital role in promoting and developing the local tourism and hospitality industry in the Philippines. By focusing on sustainable development, community involvement, and modern market strategies, the plans help to
Boost local economy to increase visitor spending and job creation. Preserve cultural and historical heritage while making it accessible to tourists.
Enhance infrastructure and facilities, improving the overall tourist experience. promoting digital innovative approaches to attract both local and international tourists, support community-based tourism, ensuring that local resident benefits directly from tourist activities.
This plan not only helps the Wailing Wall become recognized tourist destination, but also contributes to the broader growth of Philippine tourism and hospitality sector by setting a model for sustainable and community-driven tourism development.